It is time for the weekly bathroom clean. I start off by removing everything out of the shower. I'm also going to remove the shower curtain, put the curtains that's on the side up so they do not get wet. I love using scrubbing bubbles because it really attacks the dirt and grime. Remove your rugs, your scale, anything that's in that bathroom so that you're cleaning everything in the bathroom and just not around the things that's in the bathroom. Also lift that window up so you do not inhale a bunch of fumes, and scrub, scrub, scrub. I had to get inside of my shower because my shower is huge. And just keep scrubbing. Wipe everything and wipe everything twice. And this shower here allows me to rinse, and I love it. And I am one of those people that remove the toilet seat so I can get a deep clean. And I'm also a person that will stick her hand in the toilet to make sure the toilet is clean. I wipe everything off again with a paper towel because I do not like having hair like stuck to the toilet, and it also gets it dry. Now I'm going to take my shower curtain and my rug to the laundry room and have those washed. Because what's a clean bathroom if you're putting back the dirty things that you just cleaned? I'm also a person that will clean her baseboards. I am cleaning the cabinets. And now that everything is clean, I'm putting all new product back in there and putting things right back in its place. Guys, this shower head does so much. Now it's time to clean the mirrors with Windex. Windex works perfectly. Now let's clean that sink. Again, I am using a magic eraser, and I'm going over it once with the magic eraser, and then I'm going to clean it again with a paper towel. Then I'm going to dry it again with a paper towel. Now this is my cloth handle, and it's also cute for design. I put my husband's cologne under there for a quick grab. Also, make sure you're cleaning your toilet paper holder. That thing gets dusty. Now refill your toilet paper holder. Absolutely. And I'm just cleaning another mirror that's attached to the bathroom door. Also, clean your door. Why aren't you cleaning your door and your crevices? Come on, it's part of the bathroom. Now you want to sweep. Now sweep them baseboards, get that dust off, and then wipe it down. Clean your cabinets, clean inside your cabinets, clean under your cabinets. Take that trash out. Refill your trash can with a new liner and mop your floor. Of course you have to mop your floor. Put your drop-in in your toilet so it can be nice and blue when it flushes. Now I'm going to wax my floor, and I'm doing it old school way on my hands and knees. Now put everything back. Now look how shiny this shower is. Now look at the difference. Now look how clean this bathroom is, and it smells so good. Y'all, clean your houses weekly. Don't be dirty.